What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Stelly Grills and Chills, and we doing swordfish today. So the first thing we need to do is remove this skin because if you cook it with this skin on it, the skin gonna be rubbery, y'all. So we gonna get that on off. Once we get that skin off, you know we gotta rain on it. Gotta hit them with that salt and pepper and some of that Weber New Orleans Cajun seasoning, y'all. Once we get it all seasoned up, it's time to get it into that vacuum seal bag, y'all, and vac it on down. Then straight to our sous vide machine at 130 degrees for 40 minutes. After that 40 minutes, we're gonna get it straight into a dredge, and our dredge is nothing but potato flakes, y'all. Potato flakes. They're gonna bring an extra crispiness, and they really taste good with this, y'all. Then we're gonna go ahead and get it into that hot oil at 350 degrees, and we're not cooking this, y'all. We're just getting a little color on it. As soon as it get color, we gonna get it on out of there because the sous vide machine did all the work for it. But anyway, this is what it looked like when it come out. It came out so tasty and crispy.